Welcome. We're back. What's going on? All right. Back just before the open, and we still have 1 more minute until the market opens, so let's see where this one is gonna take us today. It's gonna be quite an interesting session for sure. We dropped down quite a lot, all the way down to this 1 hour BC down here, so I don't know if we're gonna still continue to drop or revisit that 15-minute CB up there at the 90s. Who knows? But anyway, market is gonna, I'm not gonna do the opening bell because it freaks everybody out. I know that. So let's just wait and see what happens. Markets are about to open in 20 seconds, so let's start this off. Let's start off the show. All right. Hey, Zoltan. All right, 5 seconds. Just a second, I'll be with you guys. I want to see how this goes. 2, 1, and the market is open for business. What is happening? Is this spiking higher, or what's it doing? I'm wondering. Or is it gonna drop? Obviously, there's a nice sell side at 584 if it wants to drop. I do like that level. So far, it seems like it might want to visit the mid level of the 1 hour BC down there. It seems like it. Yep, might go. Who knows? Anyway, wait and see. We're in daily discount, but that doesn't mean anything. If we're dropping it, it could be a start of a sell-off, obviously. Yeah, we're going back down to the 1 hour BC right there. Took out that level. Okay. If it drops, we might go down to the 600s after this. Who knows? Let's wait. Wait a little bit more. All right. Repricing higher. I wonder if this candle is gonna... Okay, trade it higher than the previous one. So that's kind of like a bullish sign-ish, I would say. We'll see. What else? What else? What else? Hey Red, what's up? I'm just watching this closely. If there's gonna be any kind of a move here after this 1 minute candle, is it going to try to push or not, or we're gonna keep on dropping lower? Feels like it could be a drop here. It's getting weaker. I don't know. There's a fair value gap about 75, and there's one more, a 15-minute higher. Still not sure. Just waiting. Just waiting. I think it wants to go maybe deeper, and that level would be, who knows, maybe down at the 600s. I don't know. Can't make this up. I don't know what's happening. Maybe a bigger drop is imminent. Trying to figure this out. These are the only levels that I see in the near term, but I'm just not sure if the market really wants to do anything. Do we have some news? Nothing special. So seems like a continuation to the downside. Okay, what is ES doing? What is ES doing? ES also swept some lows, but I think it still wants to drop more. Yeah, I think it wants to drop more. Maybe we should go through all the way down to the 25s. Not really sure. All right, it's going. Maybe to the 600. I really don't know. It just went through the 1 hour gap like butter. I don't know if it wants to go down to, you know, visit the 600, or it's just going to be a bounce from here. At this point, it can be anything, I guess. No. Nothing so far. It's bouncing. What is ES doing? ES has a sell side at... ES has a sell side at, let me check it, 59. Okay, so it might want to go lower. I mean ES. That could potentially pull down the NQ, but no, 59 is definitely close. If it goes down there, where is that? It's still holding the 61. Trying to figure this. Up to 63, but now NQ is a little bit lower. We have the 600 is actually a mid-level of a 15-minute wick, but that doesn't really matter all that much. If this is a fake move to the downside, then we should be going back to that 15-minute CB up there. Yes, so far is holding. NQ is holding. All right, going back into the gap. Let's see. Bit of a crazy start. Bit of a crazy move. ES is down to 61 again. Hey Akram, what's up? Good to see you. Not sure what's happening. ES is still there. Not sure if it wants to dump or not. I mean, talking about ES. Yeah, a little bit of a dump here. 59.25. It could be imminent. All right, ES went down. So we might see a possible reversal on NQ. Let's wait a little bit more. I was waiting for a possible entry, but he has actually dropped down sooner than I thought. So the only thing I can look for here is maybe a reversal. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, now it's going for the 600. All right. 600 taken. Just gonna wait for a reversal. That's it. J-Man, hey there, and Vivian, welcome back. Welcome back. All right, dropping lower. Sell side liquidity at 586. I think it wants to take it. Almost there. There you go. All right. Next level is at 71. It wants to go, man. All right. Took out the 71. So we're down to a 1 hour fair value gap here. Mid level of the gap is at 48. Nice drop here, and we're going back to the new week opening gap at 523. Yeah, the 1 hour is definitely dropping. There's a bullish order block down there, so I think we're dropping all the way down to close this gap to 28. I have no entry. I'm not gonna chase it. I just can't. I cannot chase this, guys. I wish I could, but I can't. I just can't. Anyway. Sorry, I wasn't really paying attention to the chat. Let me read. I'm sorry, guys. Remember to hit the like button. Yeah, thank you. We're testing the zone. Let the market maker set up. Wait, yeah. Looking long. I'm also looking for long positions, but for that I would be needing some kind of a structure. But we don't have a structure. We're just waterfalling down. And okay, so I have a level here It's quite interesting on the 1 hour chart. I'm not sure if I see this right, but there's a very, very small, tiny liquidity volume imbalance, only like 1 point here at 515. Anyway, we just got a little bit of a reaction on the 1 hour gap. Sorry, I make you guys dizzy, I know, but let me put this here. So we now have a bit of a bullish reaction at the midpoint of this. Eight-hour uptrend negated in 30 minutes. Might go down all the way to 450. Yeah, it could. We did see that from NQ many times. I'm just not. I don't know. I don't trust to take a bullish trade here. Yeah, here you go. So originally this trade would be a good one for me, but on a strong move like this, I just don't trust it. I think it's just gonna keep dropping a little bit more. I just want to stay out of this. Anyway, I took a small long position. Not the best position, that's for sure. 9. Yeah. It's just a small one. My TP is at 97.75. 2 micros. Yeah. Yeah, Zoltan. Well, let me show you guys. Which one is this? No, not this one. So here's my trade. I don't know if this one will make it. I might have to close it. I don't like this trade, so I'm just gonna, you know, lower my risk here. I thought that we're just gonna go back, reprice a bit of a fair value gap up there before it drops. Super dangerous counter trend move. My finger is on the flat button to close it. Actually, it didn't test, it did not retest the 600 level as well, so there was no retest, which doesn't mean anything actually, but you know, that's just a plus. If we would see some sort of a retest of the 600, but it's not gonna happen for now, I think. That was good morning. Everyone awake now? Oh yeah, yeah. Nice little waterfall. Checking DC. Oh, nice. Tamash is in a short. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful short. I don't want to hold my breath here. All right, I'm closing it. And now it goes to my TP. Anyway, moving on. Let's see what is going on. We have a 5-minute gap here. I think we could see the continuation down to the new week opening gap. We have some good levels. Let's see. Yes, actually, yeah, ES pushed back up there. Quite a reaction. Quite a reaction here. Retested the 600. Nice. Congrats, Tamash. 8%, make a lower high in a day. First 2 hour and trap. Yeah, that used to be the case. It traps everybody. It just traps everybody. Until the next move, we should just wait. You know, we should just wait and see what's happening. Still moving higher. All right. So this was a 5-minute gap. I wonder if this is going to continue lower or not. Going back up there to the 1 hour BC. Back up there. Testing the open price. Yeah, most likely. We're going back to yeah. Opening range high is up there, 69. Let's see what it's gonna do. Okay. Quite a rejection. I think I might gonna short after this. Not sure. Haven't decided yet. But I'm thinking about it. Depends on how this candle is gonna close. But I'm really thinking about it. Just a small short. But it's gonna go bullish, right? Yeah, it's going bullish. So no short. Yeah, no short. Still going higher. Okay. Still there. Bum, bum, bum. Look at that. And going back to the mid-level there. Okay, nothing happening. Yeah, we're going for that 69, I think. Feels like we're going for that level. Maybe not, but who knows. So are we going to take out the opening range high or not? Just wondering. Seems like it wants to go. Yeah, what a pump, right? And this is not by accident. Look at the rejection on this level and all the way to the opening range high. This is crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. This is not random. I think it should take out that 69. I'm not jumping in. This is just too intense for me. So anyway. Oh my god, my neighbor is cutting the grass again. I have to close the window. And look at that. It didn't go for it. Yeah, they're playing their little game here. It should be going through, by the way, just saying. It's just a question of time, obviously. So. Yeah, this was crazy. This move was absolute crazy. It was a mental move, but it should be breaking that 69 right now, I think. Yeah, it is. It is Zoltan. It is. Absolute crazy moves. I wish I could caught it, but you know. Well, there you go. Next level is the 15-minute CB up there. There could be a sweep and maybe go lower, but no, I don't know, Red. I was actually looking for shorts, but now I'm a little bit confused because this was such a huge reversal. I mean, obviously we've seen this one before. I mean, similar to this one. I'm gonna be watching the 5-minute chart. If this one would go lower, we might continue with the sell-off. If this current 5-minute candle will trade lower than the previous one, I might jump into a short. The 1 minute doesn't really look that way. So I'm just gonna wait. No, I was just watching this. I did a small scalp, but nothing special. I didn't even have time to let you guys know. I just pushed the button and closed it a few seconds later, but nothing really. The move that I'm waiting should be happening sometime around now. I mean, I was looking for a short, as I said, but after this huge reversal, I'd say that the only target up there would be the 690. And I think it wants to go there. No joke. It just wants to go there. Actually, that level is 80, well, 89-ish. But it feels like it has some trouble going up there. But if on the 5-minute it would drop down below the 48, I would consider it a short. I would definitely consider a nice short there. On the long scalp on a 30, move on ES. It's still a good trade. Listen, it's still a good trade. I was looking for shorts, yeah. Yeah, exactly. The V. It did the V. There are 6 and 7, but crude oil inventories. Yeah. We have some minor news events here, and I still don't know if we want to go back into that 15-minute gap up there. There's also a 1-hour gap higher, so I'm a bit confused what to do here. The 5-minute, so far it doesn't seem like it's gonna go lower, at least not yet. Yeah, it's just staying here. Obviously there was some profit taking, so we could see some dumping lower, maybe down to the 620s. But let's keep the focus. Let's keep our eyes on the prize and wait for a proper entry, maybe. I don't know. All right, are we going higher or not? The question is the same. The question remains. Going sideways here. NQ unplugged officially. Feel like it might want to tap into that gap. Don't forget that this is not just a 15-minute CB, but it's also a 1 hour, 15-minute slash. Oh, I pushed the wrong button here. I'm sorry. 15 minutes slash 1 hour. For now, it seems like it's going. Hey Michael, this is one of the most craziest days. I'm sorry I'm not talking too much. I have some messages I had to answer on my phone. It's some private messages. I mean, some family stuff here, but it's been taken care of. Sorry about this, guys. But anyway, I don't have any entry, so I have nothing to do with this. The only thing is that there's maybe a drawn liquidity up there at the 89s, but nothing special about that. Asia highs all the way up there. I think so too. We have a good chance. So we just have to get through on this level up to 80. It's a high resistance liquidity run. I think you guys already know that. It's a high resistance liquidity run, but it should be getting through this 89 level and then all the way up there, most likely. It's very close. No, I don't think so, D. I don't think that it's affecting. I don't think. Oh, look at the rejection from the gap. Okay, nothing on the 5-minute. Rejection because of the order block, yeah. Which order block? Oh, I see. Yeah. There's an order block. Should be going through, by the way. Back to the new day opening gap, most likely, and above. But I agree that we could see this going. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, slowly grinding its way up again. But I still don't have an entry. So I'm just sitting on the sidelines here and watching how this thing will go. Oh man, it's a slow grind, but it's going higher no matter what. Next level should be somewhere at the 710-ish area. We'll find it out soon enough. Yes, yeah. Do you have an eval or funded account pulled up? This what you see is an evaluation account that you currently see. This is just I started this morning. It's an Apex evaluation, but I haven't traded on it this session. But yeah, it has been real choppy. So that's why in the morning I was only trading on evals, and I managed to pull off some bits and pieces on this drop, but nothing special. I'm trying to catch a real move, but the 5-minute, I don't like it. The only way I would go for a short on this 5-minute, if this current candle would trade below the previous one and close bearish. That would be something I would consider. But it feels like that this is not over yet, and we just want to go back up there. So let me know what you guys think, but so far this is what's going on, I think. Obviously I could be wrong. I don't know if this one can make it to to the gap again, or at least to spike above the 700s. That is something I just don't know. We'll see. If it goes, it goes. If not, then it's not. $760. Then it has to burst through the 700 real quick and real fast, I guess. Real quick, real fast. You know. I'm not sure if it wants it or not. I mean, this one made a huge move. So it might be time to dip lower. And, you know. Maybe reprice some levels on the downside. But I'm not sure. Let's wait and see what it wants to do. There is a lot of space on the lower levels if it wants to waterfall down. as it does right now. And it can reprice a lot of levels down there. Like a lot. Where is the 700 level? I'm gonna put a line there just to see if it goes through or not. So it's having a problem with the 700 up there. Did NQ go there? NQ's highest point was 99.50. I don't know. It feels like a super high resistance liquidity run. So let's wait this out. Could be a tricky one, obviously. The macro is kicking in 11 minutes or 10 minutes. The 700 is holding price down. That's all we know right now. Yeah, we're stuck here. We're stuck here for sure. We're stuck here for good. But if it's not going to be able to go up there, then there are some good levels down there to reprice. There you go. We can just easily waterfall. Watching the 5-minute as well. Some good levels on the downside. Couldn't make it through. This is just sideways action. It's the 1 minute is totally barcoded. The 5 minute looks ugly as well. 700 is a strong level here. It's holding price back. We still have, I don't know. Well, we have time, so it can try to push. Let's wait and see. Check our today's trade times. Okay. We also catch the reversals. Nice, man. Let me check. Whoa, beautiful. This is how you do it, man. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Nice short. Nice short from up there. And, you know, especially if you're sitting in the reversal, that's how you do it. Man, I don't know what to do here. I don't know. Do you guys think we're gonna go through the 700 or we're gonna dip down? I have no idea what price wants to do, and I have no entries on this. No, I mean I had a little scalp on one of my Apex accounts and on one of my Bulenox, but that's all. Pashka, hey there. VWAP and Monday High are holding. Yeah, but so far the 700 is strong. Only longs. Yeah. I had a bad day yesterday. Lost 2K on your short, dude. Oh, sorry to hear that, man. Oh man, 2K on the short. Yeah, yesterday was also very interesting. Let's just say that. Hey Zoltan, see ya. It was like, so sorry to hear about the 2K. I don't think this one has enough strength to push it. So I just don't think that it does. It should be waterfalling down now. There are some good levels on the downside, which I would like to take a trade there, depending on how it goes. I have no trade here. Yeah, it seems like Elite Trader is a scammer. Full-time scammer. That's what the guy is. Showed off with his fake wealth, and he scammed out money from one of our members on Discord with mentorship, and borrowed some money, but that's, I'm not gonna go into details, but Elite Traders is a scammer officially. And actually, I'm just gonna kick him out right now. So Elite Traders, if you're watching, shame on you, man. I'm just gonna get you the hell out of this Discord. And you know what I said, Elite Traders, God doesn't beat with a stick. So, and karma is a bitch. Anyway. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. All right. He's officially out of the server. Yeah, the muscle guy, yeah. Yeah, confusing price action. Absolutely. Well, Paul, don't thank me because I didn't do anything. We just gave him a chance. I sent him a message in private, and I just kicked him out, and that's it. He's just a low-life scammer. If you guys want to chat with each other, obviously you can still do in private on Discord. I actually blocked him and kicked him out. There you go. Yeah, full-time scammer. The guy is a full-time scammer. Unfortunate, by the way, but unfortunate. So bad to see people like this. Okay, back to the 1 hour. Well, he was also having a Top Step Live account. Tamás is having a Top Step Live account too. But this was a guy who posted pictures about his fake Lambo and all his wealth and everything. And I'm sure that wasn't his real name, and the pictures was somebody else's pictures. And he's just a fake, a phony. I'm sorry, guys. I just had to take this. So what is happening here? This just made a structure shift. Are we going back up to 700 or what is happening here? Is it gonna go back or not? Or are we gonna drop lower? The $1 million question, right? Oh yeah, you guys are talking about the full port longs. We have the 700, which is a strong level, I would say so, but drop it like it's hot. Oh, it's getting dark here. Now it's better. Pulling up the shaders. It's getting better. Bray, you're full porting long. Tomasz, what do you think? Are we going to continue long or is it just gonna drop? I don't trust this move. It can just grind lower, but I'm not trusting this. It had a nice reaction on the 1 hour gap, but I'm still not trusting it. I'm not live streaming on Discord. I was thinking about it, but there are much smarter people than me on the Discord, so but we haven't tried it yet. I mean, I thought of doing that, but I don't think, I don't know. I thought of doing some whoa, 1, 2, 3 reversals. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome. Yeah, Tomasz is mentoring some people, yeah, and teaching. I'm usually just, you know, sitting here on YouTube acting like I know what I'm doing, but but yeah. I'm just acting like I know what I'm doing. Yeah, that's the big question, Bray. That is the big question. So, how do you get a mentorship? Well, I'm not doing mentorship, Shash, and Tomasz has a special price for it. But I'm not here to say that. You can exchange emails, I guess. Well, Michael, I'm just the whole purpose of, well, one of the purpose of the YouTube stream here is to document my journey to be a better trader, but I still have a lot of things to learn, obviously. So I would not consider myself as such a good trader or any, but at least we're starting to take payouts, so that's a good thing. So slowly taking payouts is always a good thing. I think this one may want to go lower. What do you think? Is it gonna grind back higher or what? The way that it looks like it's like a slow grind to the downside right now. I'm just not, I'm not sure I'm trusting this move, but who knows? Don't know what to think of this. Breaker block and SMT, right? We still have the 700 up there. Not my favorite price action, that's for sure, but at least this area is still holding. Try to go down, 5 minute, scalp it. Yeah, now scalping is a bit scary. Yeah, it's shaking off everybody. I mean, pivot is holding so far. I don't know. Feels like it's dropping lower. The 1 hour gap looks like it's going to be traded through. The question is, where are we going? Are we going lower? Yeah, it is unpredictable. I mean, I tried to look for some proper entries, but oh yeah, on Discord. All I just want to say, and it's not against anything. Tomasz is a good guy. I talked with him. What he's doing as mentoring, it's his business. All right, guys, it's not my business. It's his stuff. It's your decision. I just, we just had a very, very bad experience with elite traders. And obviously, Tomasz is absolutely not like him. So Tomasz is a real nice guy. But if he does mentoring, that's his business. And if you want to apply for that, that's your decision. I am not going to encourage you or push you into any direction. So it's up to you guys. And obviously, all I can say that Tomasz was absolutely helpful and nice to others as well. It's your decisions, guys. That's it. How you do mentoring or whatever. But that is not my thing. So it's strictly Tomasz's business and your business, whoever wants to do the mentoring. Because obviously there's money involved in that. That's it. Otherwise, I wish all the good luck with it. And I hope you guys are making progress. Yeah, I don't know if I'm starting to feel. Lose hope that this is gonna go back anytime soon. No, I'm not saying, J-Man. It's it's not the same because, of course, you're not leaving me. I'm just streaming here on YouTube. What I do is a completely different thing. I'm not doing mentoring here. I never said I can do mentoring. I'm not a mentor. I'm not a teacher. I'm just a guy who tries to make it, just like most of us in trading. So I'm not a pro. Now, Tomasz, I think he has very, very good experience and good track records. He is a good trader, I think. So whatever you do, obviously it's a different thing. I'm in a different boat than you guys in that perspective. So that's it. Yeah, exactly. Please, I'm begging you, don't leave me. I'm begging you, don't leave me. Don't. I have to turn on the lights here. That was better. All right. So I just stream here. That's it. Man, what a freaking price action this is. I just don't know what to make of all this. What I can help you guys with, if you go with the mentorship with Tomasz, he will let me know, and we can invite you guys to the Discord. We have a paid Discord, but you know, the one thing I can do is I can put you guys on the Discord if you do the mentorship with Tomasz, but obviously don't do it for the Discord. It makes it easier for you guys to connect and maybe share some knowledge with the community. I have a Discord since a year now, or more than a year, actually 2 years. I don't know, but it's a paid Discord membership. Not because I want to make millions, because it's $10 a month, but it's mostly to, I don't want to manage 1,000 people. So if I was thinking, and I told this other times as well, I was thinking to do the free Discord. But the problem is, to the free Discord, there's obviously going to come like a lot of bots and a lot of scammers and some toxic people too. I mean, this is inevitable if we have a free Discord. So people are just going to click and join. Obviously, it's going to grow by some time, but it's inevitable to have those kind of bots or trolls or scammers, whatever, So with $10 a month, we narrowed it down to those people who are really good and nice and want to share some knowledge. But we just obviously had, unfortunately, someone who slipped through the fence, and but we had to kick him out because he was a scammer. A+ trader, hello. What's up, man? How's it going? Good to see you. What's going on? Yeah, place for traders because our job is lonely. We are lonely, actually. It's a sad thing, but this is the truth. It's a lonely business for sure. Man, I don't know what to make of this price action. I really don't know. Crazy day. Már levettem, csak még nem tiltottam ki a csávót, de hát ha benyög valami dumát, de le is tiltom, már levettem. Change job for kindergarten. Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah. Yesterday was pump day. Trying to figure out some levels here. Interesting how the 700 was holding. Tax issue, yeah. In regards to bond market, yeah. By the way, I'm not 100% sure, but there might be some change in the stream tomorrow and Friday because you know, here is going to be a holiday on the 1st of November, and tomorrow we are going to have a family gathering, I should say that, and I have to pick up some family members in the morning with car, so in my time in the morning, so that means I'm not sure how I'm going to do the London stream, but I'll try to figure it out. So I want to be here obviously for London and New York too, but this might gonna be tomorrow and Friday might gonna be a little bit upside down. So anyway. Is more liquid NQ or ES? NQ, obviously. Obviously, it's NQ. It's gonna be NQ. It's always NQ. %100% guarantee. Exactly. Exactly. So are we going back up or what? My Discord handle. Oh. My Discord name, you wouldn't guess it, but it's tomsabo. But the Discord chat room the invite is always changing. So But we have a link, I think, somewhere. Oh yeah, we have a payment link through Stripe. But anyway, you can find me private on the name tomsabo. That's it. Just simple. Simple as that. What's happening now? Is this going up? I'm checking the levels again and trying to figure this out, if it's going up or what. Feels like it wants to attack that 700 levels again, but it has to go through the 80s. Breaker SMT is working out. Nice. It should be, right? Hopefully. I don't know if it wants to go into the 80s or it's just gonna stop here. Nice move. Nice move, that's for sure. Do I need to not trade another 4 days? Yeah, if you pass Bulenox, yeah, you need to push it for 4 more days. Flip it with micros. It's a stupid rule, I know, but it is what it is. 5 days in a row? Let's go. Let's go, Jacques. That's awesome. Set commands all in full degen. What? What did he do? What did he do? 685. All right. Yeah, I like that. Actually, I like the 692 and the 700 as well. I do like those levels. To be honest. I wonder if it goes up to the 90s and then, you know, take out the 700. The 700 was holding this very much down. It was quite something to watch. Scar, hey there. Igen, de jó, mármint, hogy oké, ez szuper. Tamás is saying that he just received some messages. Everybody wants to learn. Thanks for being online. Is Sarah, if you're saying that to me, thank you for the compliment. I mean, I don't think that I'm doing all that great stuff here, because most of the time I'm just tape reading and trying to talk this through like what I see. So I'm just, you know, trying, that's all. That's all. Nekem hogyan? Alright. Szubokat nem kell most. Az, hogy 3 ember $10 beszubbol, az tök jó, de nem az a cél. It can be lonely trading on your... Oh yeah, it is. It's one of the loneliest things. It's one of the loneliest things to do. Trading is super lonely. Look at that. Did not manage to push through up there. I thought that this one wants to go to the 690s. But it seems like we're just stopped here. What's the time right now? We're approaching lunch hour, so we could see some, you know, liquidity sweeps here and there. Yeah, seems like this one wants to go back down to the 5-minute gap. Yeah. It actually went down. És hova? Föl, le. Yeah, I just don't know which direction it's gonna go. I mean, it's repricing this 5-minute gap. I like the area up there, the 700. I just don't trust the move right now. It could be just water falling down again. Just don't trust the move. Okay. I just don't trust the move. I'm gonna see if this current 1 minute candle. Yeah, it looks like a bullish reversal, but I just don't trust the move. Is it going to maybe you know, go down to the mid level of the 1 hour gap? Not sure. What if this one still wants to go higher? For Bitcoin, I have no idea. I don't even know where it is. It's 72 almost, 72K. I think Bitcoin is gonna go to 0. Ja, M8-et. Először meg kell tanulni trade-elnem. Whoa! What is happening? Oh my god, Holy Grail tipped 1.55. Thank you, man. Ho! Thank you for the tip, man.
To buy a new trading setup easy.
All right, thank you, man. Thanks for the donation. That's awesome, dude. We'll be doomed. I mean, that's what I think. Bitcoin to 0. I'm sorry. Hate me. I'm not gonna buy Bitcoin. Even if it goes to $1 million, I'm not gonna buy. It's not my thing. Thank you so much, Holy Grail. Really appreciate that. Awesome. Well, for now, we're just hovering in between these levels again. And again, and again. Now I'm on the money. All right, let's go. Well, you know, we could be going back to the 90s here. My Discord is currently not free, but 100K when Trump wins. Well, it could rocket there. I agree. And I think it will eventually. So, or it should. All right, so what's this doing right now? Is this wants to get back down to the mid level of the gap, or what could be the situation here? Oops. Looks like a bearish move. No. It's we're gonna. By the way, Jacques, I'm gonna figure out a way to do a free version. By the way, just saying. Sucky price action. Yeah, I agree. I agree. I still like the levels up there, but it's definitely not looking that good. I wonder if it actually wants to go up there. You know. Hey, John D. Addict. I feel like the 700 could be a good target still. To the 85s from here. But first it has to go through to the mid level of that 15-minute CB, which is somewhere around 92. Oh man. It should go up, I think. At least I like to see it go up. I bought a handful of ProfiTrade accounts. Oh, thank you, J-Man. Thank you, man. Thank you for the support. Price usually forms its highs or low on Monday, Tuesday. Yeah. It usually does that. Yeah. I agree. What a crazy move here, by the way. Still feel like that there is a draw on liquidity up there, but we're just going sideways here. Anyway, I can't take a trade on this. I actually made some profit on 2 of my funded accounts, but I just can't trade this. This is not my thing right now. But anyway. Thank you so much, Jacques. Thank you for being here. So guys, I'm gonna cut it here, and this is it. Thank you for watching. It was a really good price action. It wasn't my favorite, but at least ended up in a bit green. I'm gonna do a recap video, I think. And yeah, I just want to say I don't know how is tomorrow gonna be and Friday. I'm gonna update everybody on the community tab. I have to be at places and pick up the family. So anyway, be safe, trade safe, and if you would like to support, as always, please use my codes. The sale with Bulenox is ending tomorrow. Take profit, no activation fee this month. Take your accounts. Apex still 1 day pass. MyFundedFutures is still good. The milestone account. If you want some extra discount, use the plain method and not plain, played, and you will have some extra discount with my code. And that's it. Thank you so much. Be safe. God bless you all. And that's it. See you guys hopefully tomorrow in London. Cheers.